how to view saved passwords on iPhone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your saved passwords on your iPhone. Whether you've forgotten a login or need to find a password you've saved in your iCloud keychain, this video will help you. Now let's get started. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the passwords. You may need to open it via your Face ID. Now here you can see all, tap on it. Now you can see here, find all the passwords for different accounts. To open it, you'll be asked to authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to access your saved passwords. This is an important security measure to keep your passwords safe. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific account you're looking for. When you tap or on any entry, it will show you the username and password associated with that account. To see the actual password, you'll need to tap the eye icon. Now let's simply look at any other account. Simply here, as you can see, passwords. Simply click on it, and here you can see it has been revealed. And that's it. That's how you simply view all the passwords in iPhone.